Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got some major changes that I have made to the 100mph Traxxas Slash Project. I just want to go through them with you guys right here, right now. I made some pretty drastic changes since the last time I ran this machine. I had an XO1 splitter on the front that kept on breaking. What I ended up doing, guys, was I invested in an Aero kit specially made for the Traxxas Slash 4x4. So this right here, I believe it's made out of like, it appears to be like 3D printed plastic. So the thing I am worried about is if I ever crash this thing, which I'm crossing my fingers I do not. If I ever crash this thing, this stuff would be very easy to break, I would think. But anyway, it's made for the Traxxas Slash 4x4. It basically has got a rear diffuser. It's got two side bits right here where there's a battery tray on either side, and it's got a front splitter. And as you guys can see, it's made exactly for this chassis, and it looks awesome. And the fit was really good as well. And then it connects to the rear part of the rear bumper bracket right here, the rear bumper mount right here for extra rigidity right here for the back. For the back diffuser. Also, it came with this piece right here to actually mount the splitter up to the front. So it's really a well put together kit. I can't remember the brand. If I can find it, I'll put it down in the description below. I got it on eBay. I think it's $85, so it wasn't cheap, but it claims to give like a ton more aero. So that's the reason why I went ahead and bought it. And also the thing I did was I removed the spoiler because it was slowing us down and causing too much drag where I needed to remove that. So I removed the wheelie bar altogether, or sorry, I removed the spoiler altogether and I removed the wheelie bar. Had to remove the wheelie bar since I put this on, but more recently we haven't had any issues with the car lifting up. So I don't think the wheelie bar is a must at this point anyway. So I removed the rear wing, remove the wheelie bar, and the thing I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be going and getting the Proline Supersonic body. So I know originally I said I wanted to do this project with a Traxxas Slash 4x4 body, which I've reached 87 miles per hour with the Traxxas Slash body, but this kit's made for the actual Slash Sonic body, I believe. So that's actually made by Proline, I believe. I actually have one on order, so I'm going to have that coming soon. And it's basically like a Bugatti Chiron body. It's a much more sleek body that fits over these Aero pieces perfectly, actually. And like I said, battery trays on each side. Oh, and then the other major change is I switched the wheels and tires out. So before I was running some cheap K-Force Racing ones that failed on me twice now. They basically spun right off of the wheel, the tires did. Even after I glued them, they spun off. There were some cheap quality ones from China. So I went ahead and I put a little bit more money down on some more expensive ones. These right here are the GT8 contact wheels and tires. So it's like a entire like plastic disc type wheel. So it's one solid piece, the wheel. And the foams, there's just a lot more weight to them. I don't have the K-Force ones with me, but the foams feel much more dense than the K-Force ones I had on. And these were about twice the price of the K-Force ones as well. I'm hoping and crossing my fingers these ones hold up. Now I don't know if I'm going to run a 6S pack or not, because I can fit a 6S pack on either side. These trays have just enough room where I have this slid all the way out. I can actually run a 6S pack, but I might want to go and invest in 2 3S packs to even out the weight. One on either side to balance out that weight. Power system, gearing, all that stuff's going to be the same. I did tow in the front a little bit. I had somebody in the comments recommend that I tow the front end in slightly rather than tow out, because I think they were like probably like a degree tow out, or maybe 0 degrees. It was hard to tell, but now that they're towed in a little bit, that will hopefully help with stability. Now, I wish I could tow these out, but I don't think there's any way to adjust these ones right here on the back. These are like towed in like 3 or 4 degrees, I think, or 2 or 3 degrees. That's factory though, and there's no way to adjust that unless I somehow get shims back behind that. I don't know how you actually adjust this. So the rear is still kind of towed in, but hopefully that won't hinder us in my goal of reaching 100 miles per hour. But I'm really thinking that we should be able to do it with this body, guys. Once we get this body on, we're not going to have the restriction of the short course body. We're not going to have the wing slowing us down. We have this really nice, dope Aero kit. I really think we're going to be able to hit 100 with how it's set up now. So go ahead and let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. And make sure to hit the notification bell So then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, because that run's going to be coming soon after I get that new body and paint it up and get it all cut out and everything. I also have to get some type of body mount system. I think I'm probably going to get a Proline one, because I can use Proline posts right here. And so I can remove these, and then I have another mount right here that I can put here, and I can run Proline posts on this machine, which is probably what I'm going to do with just the screw-off caps. Because I really like those nuts. Those are really cool, but I think she looks pretty cool, guys. It looks kind of like a Batmobile type thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It looks like a Batmobile. That's what it looks like to me. But yeah, that's all the adjustments I've made. I had to take off the aluminum battery trays that I had on the side in order to put these plastic ones. And like I said, these plastic ones go completely underneath, and they just fit like puzzle pieces and really cover up the whole underside of this machine really well. So I really like that. They should fit perfectly with that body that I have coming, because I did try fitting it with the Slash 4x4 body. The issue is the Slash 4x4 body ends like right here. So I'd have to like either cut it out for the battery to sit here, or just flex the body out like crazy in order for the battery to actually sit there. And I think the other body that I have coming, the Proline Sonic body, that will drape perfectly over this. It's supposed to, I think, and then perfectly drape over this and over the back portion. So there shouldn't be any areas where wind or anything can get in. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think I should do before the next video, if there's any other changes you think I should make. And I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Later.